Do you want to connect with your intuitive powers and connect with the eagle as a symbol of strength and spiritual power? Then you need to learn all about Garuda Mudra. Garuda Mudra is explained in this video taken from the Mudra Mastery Course of Play, Pause, Be. Enjoy! Hello and welcome to the third mudra of the air mudras. The third mudra is the Garuda gesture or the eagle gesture. It is done by hooking the fingers and spreading them wide, thus inviting a free flow of energy into the mind, into the body. Spreading the fingers, overall spreading the toes, has an expansive effect on our sense of presence, of our sense of belonging. As we know that there's a lot of communication happening from body to mind, this creates a sense of expansion. The most important thing about this mudra is, of course, all the fingers are spread out, is especially the positioning of the hands in front of the heart. Garuda, or eagle position, refers to this bird-like creature which is seen as the vessel of Vishnu, of the transformer and of the sustainer. Garuda, or the eagle, has both in Indian mythology as in the world a very important connotation of the ability to zoom out and take a higher perspective. It's the eagle that flies with the currents of life. It's the eagle that lets himself be carried with the winds of life. The same way our higher awareness can reside on the eagle, can be flown through our life, and this way we can maintain a higher vision no matter what thoughts or what emotions arise. We're anchoring ourselves into our true consciousness, and we're anchoring ourselves into the seat of our hearts. So doing this practice, you can close your eyes again, tuning into the center of the heart as you breathe in and breathe out. Keep spreading the fingers. You can practice this mudra as well standing, whatever works for you. But feel almost as if every breath in and exhalation gives space to your being, to your heart, as if you feel your heart expanding, or the energetic space around the heart. As if the boundaries of your body expand beyond its physicality. In this way, you allow yourself to expand into the space you create for yourself. And as you give yourself space to be what you are and stay in love no matter what arises, the same way you will be able to do that for the world around you. So taking some time here, and then when you finalize, just allowing the hands to gently relax on the legs and finalize with a few grounding breaths.